Hey, what's up you guys, it's Killing Art here, and today we are going to have an unboxing video of the Smart Art box. They gladly sent this box to me for free just so I can mention them in my videos. So let's get this thing started, and yeah. And even though I'm an art person, I don't really know the names of a lot of the art tools. So if you just hear me call them thingy majiggies, water majiggy, blah blah blah, just know I just don't know what they're called. This box is in rough. This box is in a little bit of rough shape. Me though. Where do I open this? That only took us 10 years. You open it, and the first thing you see is enter for a chance to win. Win something. I'm guessing a free box probably, just like I got. But I didn't win it. They sent it to me because I reached out to them and asked them if they'd like to do any sponsorships, and they said they're not really looking to be like a affiliate with anybody, but they can send me a free box and let me show them about them and blah blah. They'll think about it in the future, so we might have a possible sponsor there. Alright, first thing they send you is a thing on how to make acrylic pour painting. That's actually really cool. Maybe we should do an acrylic pour painting for one of my videos. MDF panel. Never really used one of those. Your Deco Art American multi-surface sateen colored. It's acrylic paint. More acrylic paint. Even just keep coming with the acrylic paint. Alright, I've never had acrylic paint, so that's new. Who is she? Straight palette knife. I'm gonna guess this is used for the acrylic paint, stir it up and stuff, so that's pretty cool. What is this? Pouring medium for... I'm gonna guess it's for acrylic paint because this entire box seems to be acrylic paint themed, and I've never used acrylic paints. So how about in this video we try for the first time ever to use acrylic paints. I have no idea what to do, but we can try. Also guys, this is a monthly themed box. Every month is a different box, and you guys can find it at this link down below, and you can get your own box, and it's gonna have something different in it every month. It's a monthly subscription. You can quit anytime you want. And it was really nice of them to be able to send this to me for free. Oh look, an even bigger MDF panel. I'm gonna guess you can use acrylic paints on this. I'm just taking a wild guess there. We can paint on the little baby canvas today, maybe. I don't know. You can try. And then they sent us a slightly bigger canvas, which you've all been waiting for. The best part of this box. Bubble wrap. Alright, that literally landed right behind my back. This month's theme was acrylic paint, apparently. So, just close this bad boy back up. Maybe throw the bubble wrap back in there. Alrighty guys, let's try this acrylic paint thing. This just went from an unboxing video to an art video. So let's do this. Hey guys, it's Killing Art from the future. I don't feel like I talked enough in this video, so I'm going to go ahead and do a voiceover. So right now we're mixing our acrylic paints into a cup, because that's what it said to do, but all I had was a giant cup, and then we're pouring this stuff in there so to make sure it doesn't have air bubbles and stuff. And to be honest with you guys, I have no idea what the heck I'm doing, like at all. I'm mixing it with the knife thing now. I'm trying to use all the materials they gave me, and I was like, you know what, we might as well use all the colors too, blah blah blah. I give it a little mix, and yeah, it looks pretty strange, kind of looks cool. I wonder how it's gonna come out, so let's go ahead and just flip this cup over. Oh no, never mind. JK, we're using more paint. Forgot. My bad. Yeah. Don't forget to go to represent.com/store/killing-art to get some art merch if you want. Now we are flipping the cup and waiting for the paint to get on it. And little did I know that this wouldn't work, like at all. And I'm about to be very disappointed. I should have used a smaller cup. I had to smack on a little bit, but like, wow, like none of it came out, barely. Look at that little puddle. It like stuck to the bottom of the cup. So I was like, you know what, let's let gravity take its course. Let's let it get all slicked around. And I was like, okay, I'm a very impatient person. Let's just squirt some paint all over it, and hopefully it'll do better that way. And I was like, okay, well then we need to use all the colors. So I put all the colors on there, and I'm like, you know what, I don't want to let gravity take its course again. It's taking too long. Let's just get our knife and just mix it around. Use a little bit of gravity's help, but let's just smack this knife everywhere, making little did I know I was making a giant mess. And yeah,
and then I messed up by doing that right there. I spread it out with the knife, flattening it out, and it really like completely like unmixed the colors. Nothing mixed right. But at the same time, it did mix. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I just got a bunch of weird colors out of it. I didn't know what to do. Now I was trying to cover up every part of the white edge, which made even more of a mess. Yep, and then here I go in just about a second. There it is, an even bigger mistake. I made a little smiley face. Or no, not even a smiley face. That's an anime eye, my bad. I tried to make a little anime eye. I was like, you know what if I could like make a really cool design out of this paint? So I tried. I put a little eye on there, and then I made it, and I was like, oh, that kind of looks like an anime eye, but you know what I realized? It doesn't really look like an anime eye. So you know what we got to do? Screw it. Just mess it up. Use it. And that's when I was like, oh wow, we can use a little infinity symbol. Yeah, let's do that. And I was like, I don't like the way that looks either. Just spread it all over the place. Yeah, just spread it all over. Just like sunscreen, just spread it out. And I realized there was so much paint on there, I had to scrape some of it off, and I made even more of a mess that way. And now all the colors are like mixing so much together that there's no differences, and it looks like crap. And I'm like, wow, I got it a smart art box, got acrylic paints, and I have no idea how to use them. So it's awesome to have acrylic paints now, because now I get to learn how to use them. But my gosh, the first attempt, and I freaking suck. So I was like, you know what if I just scratch off some of the paint to make a design? I was like, oh, this looks kind of cool. Well, we should use some of the like opposite direction kind of stuff, kind of like cross hatching. Yes, let's do that. That'll make it look better. It looks like a little Wolverine attacked it. Alright, now let's change the direction one more time. That's the same way. Let's change it. There you go. Alright, now let's let it stay outside for a little bit. Let it get all dried up and whatever. And yep, I went outside and I kind of put a leaf on it. My bad. I put a leaf on it because I had no idea what to do. And I was like, oh yeah, now we can peel it off and there'll be like a little leaf imprint. That's a good idea, right? And then I was like peeling it off. I realized, wait, I let the leaf dry on it. Oh, we can try to get as much of the leaf off as possible, right? Nope, that's all that's coming off. Alrighty, so we're gonna have a little leaf in there. But you know what? It's actually not half that bad. I don't think it looks too bad. I need to get the light a little bit. Yeah, there you go. You can see it. It has a little leaf imprint, everything. So it's not a terrible first impression with acrylic paints. I definitely know I didn't do it right, but you know what? It's okay. It's fine.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe, and if you guys want to get your own smart art box, just go ahead and go down in the description down below. It's not just acrylic paints that they do a whole bunch of other stuff. It's a monthly subscription, so it changes every single month. They put something new in the box, and this month's was just acrylics. So, and by the time this video is posted, it's not going to be this month. Next month's probably going to be something else. Technically this month, I don't know, I'm confusing myself. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe. We'll see you later. Pew pew pew.